Look how cute this small little end table is next to my couch. I think it would also look really great next to like an accent chair. You could put it near your bed. Honestly, it's very versatile. I love the detail of the little curved spindles here. It looks so high end. It was seriously so simple to put together. It took me maybe 30 to 45 seconds. It came in 4 different pieces, the bottom, this part, and then the top, and literally you just spun everything together. You didn't even need like any screwdrivers or anything. That's why it was so quick. I have the rustic brown, so it has like this really pretty dark brown and light brown mixture, which I love the detailing of it. I think this part is about like 12 inches or so, and then the height is perfect for my couch. I would say it's maybe like 22 inches tall or something. But it's beautiful. It's nice and sturdy. It's the perfect size. I think I'll add some coasters here too. Or you could just leave it empty too. Here, let me show you what it looks like. But I love it. It is beautiful, so simple to put together. I'm really obsessed with those little curved ball spindles, but it's beautiful. The brand actually sent it to me, and I feel like it's a table you can literally place anywhere.